It's too much pressure.
America is burger nirvana, but to truly appreciate what it has to offer, you gotta hit the road.
There are so many regional burgers out there, we've barely scratched the surface.
To get a glimpse of the past,
this place is the most historically significant hamburger restaurant in America.
And gain insight into the future.
I don't think any chef has ever gone up against a robot to make a burger.
Moment of truth, man versus machine, Alvin for the burger show, the creator.
Hello.
I'm on a mission to expand my burger horizons, and I'm calling on some friends, old and new, to help me along the way.
We're gonna try and debunk a few burger myths.
Don't salt your patties before you grind it.
But if you look at an onion, there's 2 different ways you can cut it.
This is like a Jedi Yoda moment. Babish, you ready for this?
I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm hungover.
Oh.
This burger, we sort of call the Lacy Edge burger.
Can we call it the Lacy Stacy?
Shout out Stacy.
I don't think you can compare that to a regular cheeseburger. You just can't. That is insane.
If you thought the steamed cheeseburger was something else, wait till you see this thing.
Cheers, man. That's a solid burger, dude.
Smell that?
Whoa.
That's way different.
The burger force is really with you.
Let's eat.